Hello everyone, in this video I will run the analysis on the mat foundation of a building, and as you can see the problem statement it is a plan view of the mat foundation, and you can see there are 16 columns, totally 16 columns and each have different dimensions and load which have been mentioned in this question. Okay, you can see this HBC value is 300 kilonewton per meter square and allowable settlement is 1 centimeter. Okay, and these are some calculation of subgrade modulus by the formulas and design strip. Okay, you can see here the dimension values of the different columns which have been mentioned here, dead loads, live loads, and material used, which is concrete of grade M40 and HYSD and rebar of HYSD 500. Okay, you can see here these are the problem statement, and there are 16 columns, and you can see here the footing size of a mat foundation. Okay, now I will show you the analysis, design and reporting details in the SAFE software. Okay, previously I have been done in this software. Okay, I will open it. I will open mat foundation. Okay. As you can see, I have assigned everything in this project, and just I have to run the analysis and I will show you some results. Okay, important results. Okay, since my model is logged, I will unlock it since I have run the analysis before. Okay, now I will show you some of the properties of this. Okay, go to display menu. Before going to display menu, you have to run the analysis. Okay, click on here, click run analysis. Okay, as you can see it is in process. After this, you can see the different reinforcement values from the here. You can compare it from the given recap. Okay, go to now display menu, and you can see the different types of values here. Again, go to run analysis and design since to complete it. Now go to display menu, and you can see different type of forces, reactions and values of the slabs. Okay, go to reaction forces. From here you can see the pressure, Fy and X direction. Click on apply. You can see the values. Close it. Again go to display menu, show slab forces and reactions. Again you have to select the component in which we have to see the forces. Suppose I have to see the maximum moment. Okay, click on apply. Close it. You can see the maximum moment here in this diagram. Okay, click on display menu. Again show strip forces. Suppose you want to see the strip forces in layer A and layer B. Click on apply both the layers simultaneously. You can see in both the layers simultaneously it has been shown. If you want to see suppose in layer A, then click on apply. As you can see here. Okay, fill diagram and show the values. Values means you can hover your cursor on the diagram and you can note down the particular value you wanted to see. Okay, click on apply, click on close. Okay, again go to display menu. Now you can see here the crack width, what are the width of the crack you were supposed to find. Okay, now click on the slab bottom face or slab top face to see the crack value. I will click on slab bottom face and I will click on apply. Okay, you can see the different cracks here which have been obtained. I will just hover my cursor on the width and I will it is showing that the width of the 0.05 mm. Okay, you can also compare it from here. Okay, again you can click on slab top face and click on apply to see the different values. Okay, now I am closing this. Okay, you can also see this whole thing in 3D format. Okay, just what you have to do is click on the click here, click on extrude view. Okay, and click on 3D format. You can see this everything is in 3D. Okay, the foundation, plan and everything. Now you can also see the forces, different type of forces in the form of 3D. Look here. Okay, everything. Okay, these are the reinforcement value and moment values. Okay, Similarly, now I will show the punching shear stresses value is less than 1 or greater than 1, or my analysis result has been failed or successfully passed. Okay, click on show punching shear design. I will first unextrude it and I will keep in XY plane. Okay, as you can see that my punching shear value is less than 1, that is it is successfully passed. Okay, if your value is greater than 1, then you can go to define value slab properties, and here in the modify you can increase your values, thickness values. If you will increase, then your punching shear stress value will be less than 1, then it will succeed. Okay, now it is not showing since my analysis is going on. Okay, now I will cancel. As you can see, it is successfully passed. I will do detailing. Okay, show detailing. Okay, click on OK. You can see the detailing values from here. Okay, and again I will go in detailing menu. I will click on drawing component views. In that slab views, you can see the rebar table. Okay, in this table it is showing the different bar size and length and dimension. You can zoom it, you can see the values, you can note it, you can also print it if you have premium version. Similarly, you can see the rebar schedule. In this you have the summary of all the bar dimensions and shape code, everything, length, number. Okay, you can click on individual slab views, and in the mat you can see the reinforcement profile diagram of layer A and layer B. Similarly, you can zoom it, you can see the values of particular point. Okay, these are some of the basics of detailing and creating reports. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for your attention.